Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to discord.js series. So in the previous videos or in the previous episodes we looked at how to use static dropdowns and text inputs, but what if your bot needs to search through a list of hundreds of items like games, roles or a dynamic database? You can't hard code all of that. But in this episode we are mastering autocomplete. So autocomplete turns your bot into an intelligent search engine that listens to what a user is actively typing and then filters an array in real time and sends suggestions back instantly. So by the end of this video you will know how to route autocomplete events and build dynamic search filters. So first of all, open Visual Studio Code and open your bot folder, and then go to src folder, and in events go to interaction create, and after this catch block ends for his chat input command. After that just type in if interaction not dot is button, if interaction dot is auto complete, like this, and then open a bracket, and in this just type const command equals to client.commands.get. So the same line which we write in every if condition, and after that again a try and catch block. So in this try block it would be simple await command dot autocomplete interaction, and then a catch block which would do console.error interaction create error executing autocomplete for command. So this is a simple if condition we have to write in interaction create.js and just save the file. And once you have done this, like, this code is incredibly powerful. Like when a user types a letter, Discord fires an autocomplete interaction. So our handler catches it, finds the command they are using, and seamlessly triggers a brand new function called autocomplete that we are going to build inside our command files. So now building the autocomplete command, the second part. So we will create a search command in the utility called as search.js, and in that first of all we need discord. So const discord equals to require discord.js, then again module.exports equals to name would be search, okay, sorry, like this, data colon new discord dot slash command handler, then dot set name would be search, and then dot set description would be like search our coding database, like this, and then we can add a string option. So that string option would be query. So I have the code here, so this is the code. Dot add string option, then dot set name query, then set description type to search for a technology. So I can keep these dots, and that dot set autocomplete will be true and dot set required will be true. This option should be compulsory there, like it's required for the use of this command. Then after that just async execute, and also add client here. So if you are going to use anything related to client. Now after that we have to get the focused value. So for that, now this is a real-time autocomplete handler. So instead of async execute, use async autocomplete. So now this is a real-time autocomplete handler. After this we will write an async execute function. Now here we will give choices, a standard array of choices. So this will be choices: JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, HTML, Tailwind, CSS, React, Node.js, MySQL. So these are our choices, and now we will filter the array based on what the user has typed, and we will make sure that even if the user types a small j while searching JavaScript, we will filter it. So we are doing is const filtered equals to choices dot filter. In this we are using choice and then an arrow function, then choice dot to lowercase. Like, doesn't matter if the user types it in uppercase, lowercase, and we will check if it includes the focused value dot to lowercase. Now we will do await interaction dot respond. So await interaction dot respond, and in this we'll do filtered dot slice 0 to 25 and dot map choice to name will be choice and value will be choice. So Discord limits autocomplete to 25 suggestions max, so you can only give 25 suggestions to the user. Like even if there are 100 values in your database, but you can only give 25 suggestions which are close to that searched value or to that focused value. Now this is done. After this async autocomplete, just do async execute interaction like this. Async execute interaction, here it would be client, and add a comma here. So in this const query we will get options dot get string query, and then await interaction dot reply content. You have selected that query. So our search command is completely complete. Now let's break down the three parts of this file. First, our slash command handler. We set autocomplete true onto a string option. This is the trigger that tells Discord to start sending keystrokes to our bot. Then second, we have our brand new autocomplete function. We use interaction.options.getFocus to grab exactly what the user has typed so far. So we then finally respond with the suggestions. Like when we grab exactly what the user has typed so far, we then filter our array to find any strings that include those letters, ignoring upper and lowercase. And then finally we respond with the suggestions, ensuring we slice the array at 25 items to respect Discord's limits. And third, the standard execute functions runs exactly like normal once they select a choice and hit enter. Now we will sync this and test it. So now I'll open up terminal and I'll just type in npm run deploy guild, no, not guild, I'll do it global. So it's done. Now npm start. So is the search command loaded? Yes, it's loaded and it's logged in as codeit. Now we'll go to Discord. You can see codeit is online, and if I do search, yes, search. Now in this it's showing nothing, but if I just type in J, it should show us JavaScript or something like that. But I'll reload Discord to make sure the command is fully loaded, and then now again search JavaScript. Okay, if I just do enter with Java, okay, it would show you selected Java. Okay, I think there's some error in our code. It is not showing us the options. I don't know why. Okay, is autocomplete is not a function. Okay, and it's in interaction create.js. Events interaction create.js. We'll stop this. Is autocomplete. Okay, I have understood. This should be small. Is autocomplete is a whole word. The C should be small here. Now what we'll do is, okay, we'll deploy the command again. So npm deploy global, and then npm start again, and then I'll remove this and I'll reload Discord, and I'll just type in search. And what if I type in J? Nothing happened. And what if I just press enter when I, okay, you selected J, there's still an error. We don't know what the error is. Okay, what we'll do is now we'll just ask the inbuilt AI that we are using the search command, but it doesn't show the options even when the user searches something. Let's see how it helps us, because according to me the only error we had was is dot autocomplete, because here I wrote C capital, it was C small. Now we'll see. Okay, it's now again saying, okay, it removed it from here and it added it before the model submit. Okay, I think we faced this kind of error before also for model submit. So it was telling that the search suggestions were not showing because autocomplete was never reached. Interaction create returned early for non-chat input interaction before it could call the command's autocomplete handler. Okay, so we have to make sure that it's written on the top and not at the bottom. So this is the same error we faced while model submit. Okay, now we'll open up terminal and deploy it again. So npm run deploy global and then npm start, and I'll go to Discord and I'll reload Discord again, and now it should, yes, if I just type in J, it just shows me JavaScript. Okay, it's working now. And if I type in search again, and if I just type in S, okay, it will show everything related to S. If I just type in script, it will show JavaScript and TypeScript to me. Okay, now the autocomplete is completely working. What we can do is we can add many more options here. So right now if we go to, okay, sorry, if we go to the search command, and here in choices there are only like how much, 8 choices. So if you have more choices, like if you have 100 choices or 50 choices, then the Discord would only show 25 choices when the user has entered nothing, and when the user starts typing, then it will filter out the choices. So that's how the autocomplete works in Discord. You can show maximum of 25 choices. So this is how the autocomplete works in Discord. So you know how to route real-time typing events and build intelligent autocomplete search bars directly inside your bots framework. So this separates amateur bots like normal bots from highly professional applications. Like for example, if you are building a music bot, and if you are searching music from YouTube or you are searching from SoundCloud, and when a user types like if user just types Ed Sheeran, like the bot doesn't know which song it's searching, like then it will show everything related to Ed Sheeran, and it will show you the top 25 suggestions which SoundCloud gives back to you if you are fetching data via its API. Same for YouTube, and same for any other music streaming platform. Or even if you have created a command like YouTube and it's just for searching a YouTube video, then if you type a title like iPhone 17 review, so the top 25 choices will be shown, and once like iPhone 17 review, and once the user types a specific channel, then it will filter it out and then show that specific channel's video. Then you can select it, and then it will show you the link of that video. So that's how search works in Discord. Now from the next episodes we will learn how to like how to use the new Discord message components v2. So like there are different components now. Right now we used embeds, models, then we used like the drop down menus, the select menus, buttons, action rows. But now Discord has new models, like Discord has new message components which is called as Discord message components v2. So they are very advanced form of components. Right now embeds and buttons and everything are very basic, but in the v2 we can like level up in a very different way. Like how we show our messages to the users, it will be completely different. So if you want to watch that video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button. And also, if you want the code, then the code is given in the description below. Also, the coffee link is given in the description below. You can subscribe the monthly plan, and then you can get updates about all the projects I work on, and you can also get access to the code and also be a part of some of the projects which I work on. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like my content, then make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.